If you're wondering how to use GetResponse, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of this tool for email marketing, landing pages, and automation, all while keeping things short and simple. Stick with me till the end, because I'll not only cover the features, but also share a special offer and alternatives that might just work better for you. Let's dive right into it. First thing you'll notice when logging in is the dashboard. It's clean and intuitive, but don't get too comfortable yet. While GetResponse does have some impressive tools, there are a few things you might find a bit challenging if you're new to email marketing. The navigation can feel a bit overwhelming, and finding the right options can sometimes take longer than expected. Now, the second thing you'll want to check out is the email marketing tool. This is where GetResponse really shines, but there's a catch. While you can create and send beautiful email campaigns, the editor isn't as flexible as some other options out there. It's great for beginners, but if you're used to more advanced features, you might feel a bit limited. You can create templates, automate emails, and track your results, all solid features for those just starting out. Next, let's talk about automation. GetResponse offers solid automation tools that let you set up workflows to engage your subscribers. It's a great feature, but if you're looking for something truly customizable and flexible, it might fall short. Some other platforms give you deeper integrations and more advanced automation options right out of the box. The fourth thing is landing pages. GetResponse has a landing page builder, and it's decent for most needs. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize them to fit your brand. However, the page builder can feel a little clunky at times, especially when you're trying to do more advanced customizations. If you're not looking to spend too much time on your landing pages, this is a good option. But if you need more design flexibility or speed, you might be better off with other tools. Next up, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse's pricing is pretty competitive, but it's not always the best deal. You get access to most features, but the more advanced tools come at a higher price. The good news is, they do offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. And here's the part I want you to stay tuned for. While GetResponse is solid for what it does, it's not the best choice for everyone, especially if you're looking for a tool that's more customizable and offers better integrations. I'll be sharing some fantastic alternatives at the end that are better suited to your goals. Now, as promised, I want to make sure you get the best deal possible. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial to GetResponse with additional benefits. But remember, I'll also be mentioning some alternatives that could be a better fit for your specific needs. So, stick around for a quick comparison and make the best choice for your business.